friends! Welcome back to Miss Ocasio Reads. I'm Miss Ocasio and I'm so excited to read with you today. Have you ever been upset because someone didn't want to play with you? Well, it doesn't mean that they don't want to be your friend. It just means that maybe they want to play something else. Today we'll read a story about a cheerful chick who really wanted to play cheerleading, except, well, nobody wanted to play that game with her. But first, ready? Let's read! Cheerful Chick by Martha Brockenbrough, illustrated by Brian Wan. Once inside a chicken's nest, a dozen eggs, all grade A best, lay still and warm, their contents sleeping, all but one, who came out peeping. This sunny chicken loved to cheer, though grown-ups groaned when she came near. She needs to understand we're busy, and her cheering makes us dizzy. Cheerful Chick worked day and night, until at last her moves felt right. And then she hatched her lifelong dream, to build a barnyard cheering team. She got her muscles good and warm, and did her moves with perfect form. Side splits, wing stands, super punches, chicken shook her feathers bunches. Then, because her dream was big, she made her pitch to Mr. Pig. When I say 3, yell P-I-G. This fella's jump's a treat to see. Mr. Pig often grumpy, 'cause his slops were cold and lumpy, flicked his tail and said, "Shove off, I'm very busy at my trough." Chick shrugged her wings. I bet Miss Cow would like to do some cheering now. Miss Cow knows all the wildest moves. Just watch her stand on 2 front hooves. Miss Cow just stood and blinked and chewed and said, "I'm so not in the mood." And so without another peep, Chick went in search of Mr. Sheep. Now come on, farm gang, don't be drips. Let's count to 10 as Sheep does flips. But when she counted, Mr. Sheep did not do flips. He fell asleep. Poor chicken hung her little head, her tiny heart filled up with dread. In the barn stood one last choice. She needed time to find her voice. Now snap your beak and stomp your feet, 'cause horses' high kicks can't be beat. Mrs. Horse just stared at Chick, who felt as though she might be sick. She touched her wings as if to pray, and Mrs. Horse responded, "Nay." Chick gave it everything she could, but nothing did her any good. She chucked her pom-poms in the trough, and then she ripped her sweater off, 'cause no one cared about her dream, and no one wanted on her team. She whispered so that none would hear, "Who am I if I cannot cheer?" Chick sat and watched the full moon rise, and as she did, she realized she didn't need those other folk, just wings and legs and lots of yolk. She gave herself one last routine, where every move was strong and clean. Then something happened as she cheered. A squad of fluffy friends appeared. Some cheerful chicks, 11 more. Not that she was keeping score. Well, hey now, horse, pig, cow, and sheep. This farm is full of chicks that cheep. We're 2 chicks, 4 chicks, 6 a dozen. Watch us get this barnyard buzzin'. Since the grown-ups' work was done, they took part in the cheering fun, and Cheerful Chick knew dreams come true. When chicks do what they're born to do. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's story. And remember, if someone doesn't want to play the same game as you, try taking turns and playing a game that they like. See you next time. Thanks for joining me today for Miss Ocasio Reads. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your teachers and friends. Subscribe to read more stories with me. Thanks for watching.